I am grateful to KFW for reaching out and for showing this interest in the nutrition and health of our people. We always welcome support. We've been working with different development partners over the years, and right from the inception of Benazir Income Support Program back in 2008 to date, we've been closely working with development partners, including our friends from GIZ. So I feel that this only strengthens our bond with the German people and German government. This is another avenue to explore through KFW. So I'm very happy to have you on board. And the numbers are quite concerning when it comes to malnutrition or stunted growth. And this is something that I think the world over people will face due to one of the main reasons being climate shocks and how climate affects the food production, how it affects your soil quality. So all of that contributes towards, this issue of health and malnutrition. But it's good that with the help of our developing partners, our friends around the world, we, with our commitment and intent to move forward, we take all opportunities as our good luck, basically. That we are lucky to have people looking at us that way and trying to help this society and the people of this society develop both mentally and physically. So I would like to thank you, and I have also, like Secretary BISP said, that the interesting program that we are going to be entering together in is the health of the adolescents, girls. So that is something new for us, but we are very excited. We feel that this is a new approach, but it looks like the right approach. So let's enter this partnership with the same resolve that we've been working for since 15 years now.